Hi everyone, today we're looking at exponents. We did a lot of notes today in class, so this is going to be a really quick review. Moving from arithmetic to algebraic expressions. So our standard today is to write and evaluate numerical expressions involving whole number exponents. So we're going to use that exponent notation that we talked about in class in a real world context so that we can simplify expressions. That means we're going to make really long multiplication problems shorter using the exponent, so it's nice and simple for us to solve. So what's an exponential function? It has an exponent. So for example, 7 to the second power, the exponent is 2. It has a base. It's the whole number multiplied by the exponent. So for example, in 7 raised to the second power, the base is 7. Exponent form is just what we've talked about today. We have a base and we have an exponent. Expanded form is the base repeated the number of times that the exponent determines. So 5 to the fourth power would be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Where standard form would be the whole number product of that expanded form. In the real world, we're looking at an example today about a pool. If I have a square pool, it has a side length of 4. So what is the surface area of the pool? Well, if the pool is also 4 feet deep, how much water will fit in the pool? For the area of the pool, we talked about today that the area of a square is length times width. So 4 times 4 would be 4 squared. We can also solve that expression and make it 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. You may also look at the volume of the pool, which is length times width times depth. If the pool is also 4 feet deep, how much water is going to fit there? So that's 4 times 4 times 4, or 4 cubed. And in standard form, as a final answer, 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 would be 64. So that's one way. Instead of writing this whole multiplication sentence, we could just write our exponential form. That's really it. We're looking at exponents for the next few days. So you want to make sure that you know the components of the exponent, that is the power and the base, exponential form, expanded form, standard form, and some real world examples of where we would use exponents.